Joining us now, Rajkumar Rao, the actor. Now, Mr. Rao, we were speaking just a while ago with your most recent co-star, Bhumi Pednekar, about her incredible initiative, COVID Warrior. Now, you've also donated for the pandemic last year, and you've been associated with various causes. What would you like to tell people watching about why it's important for individuals or communities or civil society to get involved and extend themselves to help those who need help?
Well, this is the only way to conquer this. As we all know, it's something, it's so uncertain, this disease. We don't know how it functions, how it spreads. And there's so many people suffering in our country and all over the world. So what the least we can do is help each other out, in these tough times. And I've been, last year also I did, and this year also I've been donating to a lot of different NGOs, helping people personally, financially, arranging beds for them and trying to arrange medicines. I think all of us can do that.
Right.
And least, if you can't do that, at least you can do is just be responsible and don't let it spread through you. Wear your mask, maintain social distancing. That's the least you can contribute. Otherwise, I would say just step ahead and help whoever you can, because this is a time that we all have to be there for each other as a community.
Sure.
Rajkumar Rao, you're part of a film community that has also suffered a lot in this pandemic. There's been a loss of work. People have, not had enough food to eat. There's tremendous infection. Many people have died. So how is the film community managing to take care of its own people who are really going through a very difficult time right now?
I know so many people who are helping, people in need. Like I'm also doing my bit. I'm trying to help as many people as I can. I know like Aditya Chopra, he has just announced how she's going to help so many people, some almost 30,000 workers who are the daily wage workers in the industry. And personally also, we keep talking. Like I speak to Bhumi, I speak to so many people, I speak to Huma, and we all are there, figuring out things for people who are in need and trying to arrange for beds and trying to donate things. So I think it's a small knit community, and I know we are doing whatever we can, but there's only so much that we can do. Eventually we'll have to vaccinate people. We'll have to make sure that, we are prepared for the third wave, if there will be a third wave. But yeah, as I think as an industry, we're trying to help each other out. And we know, our superhero, Sonu sir, he's doing so much for people out there. But yeah, I just hope and pray, we just come out of it pretty soon so that we can go back to our normal lives, because there's so much suffering. There are times I feel so helpless, seeing these stories and how people are just suffering. I think each and every one of us, either amongst our family or extended family or in our social circle, we have lost somebody or the other. So it's horrible times, but I know, as we were talking earlier, we will come out of it eventually, but I just hope we come out of it soon.
बिल्कुल राजकुमार, बहुत मुश्किल हालात हैं और जिस तरह से सिख समुदाय हमेशा निस्वार्थ भाव से सेवा करता रहा है, उसी पर हम तवज्जो आज दे रहे हैं। और गुरुद्वारे में जब चाहे लाखों लोगों को लंगर वो जाते हैं और भोजन कर सकते हैं। और ये भी हम चर्चा कर रहे थे इस कार्यक्रम के दौरान, जब विदेश में हमारे भारतीय जाते हैं, कहीं पर अगर सहारा ना हो तो लंगर में, गुरुद्वारे में जाकर आप भोजन कर सकते हैं। हरभजन भी कुछ इस तरह की अपनी यादें शेयर कर रहे थे। आपके कुछ स्मरण है इस तरह के, जब आप गुरुद्वारे में गए हों और वहाँ पे लंगर आपने छक के खाया हो?
बिल्कुल देखा है मैंने, और इस बार जो ये हमेशा देखते आए हैं, और इस बार जो हो रहा है, स्पेशली इन दिल्ली एंड एनसीआर एरियाज, जिस तरह से सिख कम्युनिटी ऑक्सीजन लंगर चला रहे हैं, दे प्रोवाइडिंग फ्री मील्स टू कोविड पेशेंट्स एंड देयर फैमिलीज. It's so inspiring and it's so heartfelt. So I think there's only gratitude that I have for all these peoples. And that's the beauty of our country. It's of course Sikh community is doing, but apart from that, we have seen mosques, converting into COVID hospitals. We have seen temples converting into COVID hospitals, churches. Everybody's coming together, and that's the beauty of our country. We all are in this together, and we all are doing whatever we can. But this, as I say, there's still a lot to do.
I think it's really important what you just said. We are doing a lot more needs to be done. Thank you so much. But any other message you'd like to sort of briefly give people in our country at this time?
just be there, just hang on, and be there for each other, and try and help as many people as you can, and do it selflessly. Just do it selflessly. Do it for the humanity. Do it for just, we all are, as I said, we as a country have to come together and beat this virus out.